Morning routine. It's time to get up. It's time to get up. Can you turn off the alarm? Can you turn off the alarm? I need to make the bed. I need to make the bed. Let's wash up. Let's wash up. Time to brush your teeth. Time to brush your teeth. I need a cup of coffee. I need a cup of coffee. What should we have for breakfast? What should we have for breakfast? Put the bread in the toaster. Put the bread in the toaster. Can you pour me some milk? Can you pour me some milk? Are you ready for work? Are you ready for work? Kitchen and meals. What do you want for dinner? What do you want for dinner? Dinner is ready. Dinner is ready. Can you set the table? Can you set the table? Could you bring me some water? Could you bring me some water? I'll do the dishes. I'll do the dishes. Can you turn off the stove? Can you turn off the stove? Can you taste this? Can you taste this? We need to take out the trash. We need to take out the trash. What's in the fridge? What's in the fridge? I should go grocery shopping. I should go grocery shopping. Living room and relaxing. Can you turn on the TV? Can you turn on the TV? Where's the remote? Where's the remote? Sit on the couch. Sit on the couch. Do you want to watch a movie? Do you want to watch a movie? Can you turn down the volume? Can you turn down the volume? Could you turn on the light? Could you turn on the light? Can you bring me the newspaper? Can you bring me the newspaper? Let's take a break. Let's take a break. Can you close the curtains? Can you close the curtains? Play some music. Play some music. Cleaning and housework. I need to do the laundry. I need to do the laundry. I need to hang the laundry. I need to hang the laundry. Run the vacuum cleaner. Run the vacuum cleaner. Wipe off the dust. Wipe off the dust. Sweep the floor. Sweep the floor. Mop the floor. Mop the floor. We need to recycle. We need to recycle. Change the trash bag. Change the trash bag. Clean the kitchen. Clean the kitchen. Did you clean the bathroom? Did you clean the bathroom? Family talk. How was school? How was school? How was your day? How was your day? Did you finish your homework? Did you finish your homework? Have you eaten? Have you eaten? Let's watch a movie later. Let's watch a movie later. What are you doing tomorrow? What are you doing tomorrow? Do you want to play outside? Do you want to play outside? Stop playing games and go to bed. Stop playing games and go to bed. Can you answer the phone? Can you answer the phone? Shall we go for a walk together? Shall we go for a walk together? Study and work at home. Tidy up your desk. Tidy up your desk. Read a book. Read a book. Bring me your homework. Bring me your homework. Turn on the computer. Turn on the computer. Can I use the printer? Can I use the printer? I need to prepare for a meeting. I need to prepare for a meeting. Did you join the Zoom meeting? Did you join the Zoom meeting? Are you wearing your earphones? Are you wearing your earphones? Did you check your email? Did you check your email? Did you finish the report? Did you finish the report? Evening and night. Take a shower. Take a shower. Can you run the bath? Can you run the bath? Put on your pajamas. Put on your pajamas. Did you brush your teeth? Did you brush your teeth? Did you set the alarm for tomorrow? Did you set the alarm for tomorrow? Let's read a book. Let's read a book. Turn off the light. Turn off the light. Did you lock the door? Did you lock the door? Good night. Good night. Sweet dreams. Sweet dreams. House maintenance. We need to change the light bulb. We need to change the light bulb. Did you clean the air conditioner? Did you clean the air conditioner? We need to check the boiler. We need to check the boiler. We have to fix the faucet. We have to fix the faucet. I need to hammer a nail in the wall. I need to hammer a nail in the wall. I need to pay the electricity bill. I need to pay the electricity bill. The water bill came. The water bill came. Change the batteries. Change the batteries. The internet is down. The internet is down. We should call a repairman. We should call a repairman. Phone and internet. Answer the phone. Answer the phone. I'm on the phone. I'm on the phone. What's the Wi-Fi password? What's the Wi-Fi password? The signal is weak. The signal is weak. Where's the charger? Where's the charger? Did you charge your phone? Did you charge your phone? Shall we do a video call? Shall we do a video call? I'm out of data. I'm out of data. Did you check the message? Did you check the message? Call me back. Call me back. Emergencies. Fire. Fire. Call 911. Call 911. There's a burglar. There's a burglar. The door won't open. The door won't open. I lost my keys. I lost my keys. I smell gas. I smell gas. The water is leaking. The water is leaking. The power went out. The power went out. Where's the first aid kit? Where's the first aid kit? We need to call an ambulance. We need to call an ambulance.